Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on named capturing groups. Python supports named capturing groups in addition to numbered groups, for example, group 1, group 2, etc. The advantage is that named groups make the code more organized and more readable. Its syntax is $P followed by the name of the group and then the regex pattern. Note that the name must consist of word characters matched by \w. Now let's explore these concepts in Jupyter Notebook. Let's create a variable dt and assign it the date 1978 0103. This date is in the year month day format. Let's create a regular expression that matches this date and separately captures the year, month and day by assigning the name year, month and day to the captured text. Let's write the pattern. Write pattern equals, create the first capturing group, write $P followed by the name of the group. Here it is year, and then the regular expression \d \d \d, that is \d 4 times. Then comes hyphen, and now create the second capturing group. Here write $P, then the name of the group, which is month, followed by the pattern, which is \d 2 times. Then we have the second hyphen, and now the last capturing group. Write $P followed by the name of the group, which is day, and then the pattern \d 2 times. Here note that the first group captures the year part and I have assigned the name year to it. The second group captures the month part and I have assigned the name month to it. The third group captures the day part and I have assigned the name day to it. Now let's create a variable x and assign it the search function. Write re.search and within parenthesis pattern comma dt. Now I will use the conditional statement if x followed by colon print the year is comma x dot group and within parenthesis the name of the group, which is year. Again print the month is x dot group and within parenthesis month. Again print x dot group and within parenthesis day. Also let's print the overall date. Write print the date is x dot group. Now let's run the cell. See that you have got the year, month and day separately as well as the overall date. In this lecture, I have discussed some very important concepts relating to named capturing. Please practice this. Till then, thank you.